Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new local trade 2007 Dodge Nitro, just over 130,000 miles on it, and all in all, pretty good condition, especially for the price. It's definitely a very, very affordable vehicle. So if you're looking for a four-door small SUV that's extremely affordable, that does run well, this may be the one for you. There's a couple little rock chips, as you can see on the hood, but all in all, in very, very good condition. That's it. It's got 30 to 40% tread depth left on them tires. There's some corrosion, as you can see, on the rims. But for an 07, all in all, in very good shape. I don't notice any dents on the driver's side, nor in the rear of the vehicle. And if I did not mention up front, this is a four-wheel drive vehicle. Same with the passenger side. Everything seems to be in good working order. I don't notice any rust anywhere. For the money, it is in very, very good shape. Inside, the floorboard seems to be in good condition. It has been detailed, so it does have plastic over it. Driver's seat seems to be in decent shape. No tears, no rips that I can see. I did check all the windows. All the windows do work as properly, same as the locks and the side mirrors. So everything's working properly when it comes to all the power. Radio, I checked it also. It does work properly. Find a channel, as you can see. So you can also pair your phone with this vehicle. So you can, as you can see, this button right here. So when you pair your phone, you can have your conversation directly through your speaker system. It does have a CD player built in up there. I did check the AC as well, and it is blowing ice cold, which is another plus. Four-wheel drive switch right here is how you switch it in four-wheel drive. Automatic transmission. It does have a nice little storage unit in here, as you can see. Passenger side seat seems to be in very good condition. Same with the passenger floorboard. Rear seat, rear floorboard to start there. As you can see, it's in very, very good condition. Don't look like it's hardly ever been sat back here. And same with that rear seat. One thing nice about these Nitros, they do have plenty of storage in the rear. So as you can see, it's a very large area for storage, which makes it nice for hauling your day-to-day stuff. And again, if you're looking for a nice, cheap SUV, this does have higher miles. It is an 07, but there again, ice cold AC. All the power windows work, all the power locks work. Seems to drive down the road and shift okay. Definitely worth taking a peek at. It is a local trade, so instead of taking them to the auction, we like to give our customers out there looking for that cheap vehicle the option to purchase them before we do so. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and for the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned vehicle, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.